Were they in mint condition?
Whoever knows me knows this is my shit right here. This shit is crazy. Woo. This is the pretty much coming towards the end of the Great Blizzard of 2016. Still coming down pretty heavy. Now it's coming down a lot heavier. It's picking up a little bit. The winds are still pretty strong. 25.1 inches measured at Central Park at 7 p.m. And right now it is about, I believe, 8:30. Still coming down. Pretty good clip. Still blowing. Riverside Drive. Manhattan. New York City will definitely break the record. All time snow record. Can't imagine how it was at about 4 in the afternoon when the bands were just pivoting over New York City continuously and constantly. Right now, still coming down at a moderate, borderline heavy clip. This is unrelenting. One of the most unrelenting storms in my lifetime. One of the most powerful storms in my lifetime. And 20 years later, 20 years after 1996, about 3 weeks ago, 20 years ago, New York City was also shut down by the blizzard of 96. So this is the last video of the night. Once again, it is about almost 9 o'clock, I believe. I haven't checked the time, so don't quote me on this. But this is the west side of Manhattan, uptown Manhattan, on 155th Street. Just completely standstill, shut down. There you can see Grand Park, and then there's New Jersey to the distance. Things are pretty intense when New Jersey's out of sight. Right now you can see the building, but really into the snow to show you what's on the highway. As you can see, like cars right now. Walking cars. Oh my god. Look how high. The plows didn't do this. No plows did this. There's plows in that area right here. this is not plowed. This is mixed drifts, piled with snow in certain locations, but this is on average how high snow is. And it's just, I mean, you can see the magnitude of the snow. I mean, almost 2.5 feet. I mean, it's just, but this is the West Side Highway, and you don't really see this. You don't see this on a Saturday night. Regular Saturday night, this is a highway or racing. It's a highway that's moving. It's always moving. I mean, no matter where you are in the city, Saturday night highways are moving left to this area. This is a standstill. Maybe no words. Bridges are closed. Can you imagine no cars in the George W. Bridge on Saturday night? Just no cars. Completely gridlocked, blocked from Jersey. I mean, pretty much no one can turn it out. Just stuck where you are and gotta deal with it. But just take this in. Just to make the fog up a little more. Another heavy band. We're also by the river, but I mean the snows are just. I mean that's not wind. I mean it's wind driven, but that's coming down. That's heavy snow, and it's just phenomenal. I wanted to walk up and see how difficult this is. I mean, this might not say a lot, but. That's my knee, right? That's my knee, and it's not even the depth of where the sidewalk is. I mean, there's a lot of compacted snow on the bottom, but it's just very difficult, to say the least. I don't know what this guy's doing. For driving on the highway when you're not really supposed to. So your car's messed up, man. See, that's the kind of thing, is that car, if he stays there all fucked up, on my language, it's blocking the progress. Blocking the progress. But tomorrow we need to get going. Train of cars. And the smart car is behind him, of course. They're smart guys. Like, yeah, well, how about that? How about go behind the guys? Clear way. You know, people are, at the end of the day, people do what they gotta do. So, except this guy. That sucks. Could walk. The visibility is getting pretty low now. I mean, it was gliding up a little bit, but now you can't even see past that block a little bit. You can't even see past it. Oh, it's going. Good stuff. Whew. The Great Blizzard of 2016.